I'm John Walters, and this is my wife, Karen.
We were in a home for 30 years. There were a lot of stairs.
Big yard.
Big yard. We just decided that it was best to go ahead and get in something we could manage as we aged, now while we were able.
We either sold or gave away most of the furniture we had and just started from scratch. Epcon had another development north of town, and so being a banker, I was familiar with that development and actually helped a lot of folks in there with their mortgages or equity lines in order to buy a new home. So that's how I knew when Nova Triad became the developer, seeing their product and the quality, that was really what sold me. Of course, I got to know the owner and I've stayed in touch with him over the years. He builds a great product, there's just no doubt about that.
I like the openness, the bright light. It's very airy.
My favorite part is I've got a separate mud room back there, and of course the patio. We've got a wonderful neighbor, and we've got a dog who is very vocal, and she hears nothing, and she has two dogs, and we hear nothing from those two dogs. So that's a testament to how well built these homes are. You know, to get in here when you're still active and pretty good shape, it just makes a big difference. Kind of starting fresh.
Yeah, in a brand new house.
Yeah.
I've really enjoyed having neighbors, and the ladies here, we get together and go to lunch sometimes, and we're having a neighborhood cookout this weekend.
I'm a big walker, so, you know, early in the morning, I'm out there walking, doing the exercise deal, and our neighbors they're really just great people. Now it's time for just us, so it's a perfect community for that.